RedTeam is a powerful construction management software, but before you commit, there are 12 things you need to know to ensure it's the right fit for your business, and we'll also show you a better alternative at the end. First, RedTeam is a cloud-based platform, meaning you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. However, some users report slower performance compared to competitors when working with large projects. Next thing, RedTeam offers solid tools for managing budgets, schedules, and subcontractors. While these features are comprehensive, they're not as intuitive as alternatives like Procore, which tends to have a more user-friendly interface. The third thing, RedTeam's mobile app lets you manage tasks on the go. That said, the app has received mixed reviews, with some users mentioning occasional glitches that disrupt workflow. The fourth thing, one standout feature, is RedTeam's emphasis on collaboration. It allows teams to work together in real time, but it lacks the seamless integration options offered by competitors like Buildertrend. Moving on, RedTeam includes document management for contracts, RFIs, and submittals. While it's functional, other tools like PlanGrid provide more advanced document handling and easier sharing capabilities. Next thing, when it comes to estimating, RedTeam's tools are adequate for small to medium-sized projects. For larger or highly detailed projects, software like Sage Estimating might be a better choice. The seventh thing, RedTeam's pricing structure is relatively affordable for smaller construction companies, but it may not provide the advanced features or scalability that larger businesses need. Next up, customer support is available via phone and email, but some users have reported delays in getting responses compared to more responsive competitors like Procore and Buildertrend. The ninth thing, RedTeam includes integrated accounting tools, but they may not be as robust as standalone accounting software like QuickBooks or Sage. Next thing, the software does offer training resources to help you onboard your team, but the learning curve can still be steep, especially if you're transitioning from another platform. The 11th thing, RedTeam's updates and improvements are frequent, but often incremental. Other platforms like CoConstruct roll out more substantial updates that significantly enhance user experience. Finally, RedTeam is great for general contractors, but specialty contractors might find its features lacking compared to niche software tailored to their specific needs. RedTeam is a solid option for construction management, but it's not without its limitations. If you want a better solution that's more user-friendly, scalable, and feature-rich, check out our recommended software that you can try for free.